Are you torn between Pocket Option and IQ Option? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular trading platforms to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Pocket Option and IQ Option offer a way to trade financial assets like currencies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. They aim to make trading accessible for everyone, whether you are a beginner or a pro. Let's start with Pocket Option. This platform is known for its user friendly interface. It has a simple design that makes it easy to navigate. Pocket Option also offers features like social trading, where you can follow and copy successful traders. Plus, they have a demo account so you can practice without risking real money. Now, let's look at IQ Option. This platform is a bit older and has built a strong reputation. It provides a wide range of assets to trade and has advanced tools for analysis. IQ Option also offers a demo account, but its educational resources are more extensive. You can find tutorials and webinars that help you learn and improve your trading skills. So, what are the main differences? Pocket Option focuses on simplicity and social trading, while IQ Option offers more advanced tools and a bigger variety of assets. If you prefer a straightforward approach, Pocket Option might be your best bet. But if you want more features and resources, IQ Option could be the way to go. When it comes to pricing, both platforms have low minimum deposits and flexible trading options. However, IQ option may have more fees depending on your trading style. In the end, if you're new to trading and want something easy, choose Pocket option. If you're looking for more tools and resources, go with IQ option. Thanks for watching.